Greetings, welcome back to Growth Garden. If your hair product sits on top of your hair, if your low porosity hair gets built up in 2 days, and if you want definition without the crunch, you need to hear about flaxseed benefit for hair. This is the one ingredient I recommend for low porosity, and the science backs it. Today we are breaking down what it does, how to make the gel, and 3 mistakes to avoid. Let's talk. But before I proceed, please do well to subscribe to the channel. We are 290 subs away from 1k, so help me hit 1000 subs. Thank you. Alright, let's talk. Flaxseed comes from the flax plant. You've probably seen it as a superfood, but for hair we care about 2 things: omega-3 fatty acids and mucilage. Mucilage is a natural gel-like substance. So when you boil flaxseed in water, that is what we get. It is basically nature's leave-in conditioner. Unlike castor oil, flaxseed is light, protein-free, and it won't cause buildup. According to dermatology research, flaxseed has 3 things hair loves. Number 1, omega-3 plus omega-6. Number 2, vitamin E plus B vitamins. And number 3, mucilage. Omega-3 plus omega-6 gives anti-inflammatory properties. It helps with dry, itchy scalp. Vitamin E plus B vitamins supports scalp health and circulation. And mucilage is the magic. It forms a light film on the hair to lock in moisture. The pH of flaxseed gel is 5.5. That is the same as a healthy hair's pH. So it helps close the cuticle and reduce frizz without weighing hair down. Now let's talk about 5 benefits of flaxseed to our natural hair. Benefit number 1, flaxseed gel is perfect for low porosity hair. Low porosity hair simply means a hair that has closed cuticles. Heavy oils just sit on top. Flaxseed gel is lightweight. It hydrates without buildup. It slips in, moisturizes, and doesn't clog. Benefit number 2, flaxseed gel gives definition plus hold without crunch. This is why naturals call it nature's gel. The mucilage gives soft hold for wash and goes, twist outs, and curls. No white flakes, no stiffness, just soft definition. Benefit number 3, flaxseed gel soothes itchy scalp and dandruff. Omega-3s reduce inflammation. If you have seborrheic dermatitis or an itchy scalp, flaxseed can calm it. It is also antifungal. Benefit number 4, flaxseed gel adds shine and it reduces frizz. Because the pH is 5.5, it smooths the cuticle down. Light reflects off smooth hair and that leads to shine. And the film it forms stops humidity frizz. And benefit number 5, flaxseed gel is safe for protein sensitive scalp. Some queens are protein sensitive. For example, rice water makes their hair stiff. But flaxseed gel has no protein. It is pure moisture and slip. So it is perfect for that hair type. I mean a hair that is protein sensitive. Now let's talk about how to make flaxseed gel. Alright, so to make flaxseed gel you need 2 things, which are flax seeds and water. 1 bottle water is okay. So you either boil water and add flax seeds, or you add your flax seed into a pot, then you add water, then you allow it to boil. As it boils, you stir for 8 to 10 minutes until it gets slimy and thick. Then take off the heat. All right, let it cool for 5 minutes. After that, you strain through stocking or strainer. This is important. And after that, you can add 3 drops of lavender oil to preserve. That is if you want to preserve it, but it's best you make it for immediate use. But if you want to preserve it, like I said, add 3 drops of lavender oil, then store it in a fridge and it can last for 2 weeks. All right. One thing you should watch out for, or one thing you should have in mind, is that do not overcook it or it will be too thick. Aim for honey consistency. So do not allow it to overcook. If not, it will become too thick. Now it is time to look at 3 ways on how to use flaxseed gel. Method 1, you can use it as your leave-in conditioner. That is, after washing your hair, apply to damp hair. It hydrates and closes cuticles. Then you follow with light oil if you are medium porosity. Follow with light oil if you are medium porosity only. Method 2, you can use it as a styling gel. Like, use it instead of store gel. Scrunch into curls, alright? Air dry or diffuse. You will get soft, defined curls with zero crunch. And method 3, you can use flaxseed gel as a scalp soother. You massage 1 tablespoon into scalp 2 times per week. It helps with itch and flakes. It is time to talk about mistakes and who should not use flaxseed gel. So please pay attention. Mistake number 1, not straining properly. You see, seeds left in leads to mess. Strain while it is warm. Alright. Mistake number 2, using flaxseed gel on high porosity hair alone. You see, high porosity hair needs sealing. Flaxseed hydrates but doesn't seal. Layer a light oil on top if you are using flaxseed gel on a high porosity hair. Now, who should not use flaxseed gel? If you have a very oily scalp, use flaxseed gel 1 time per week. Alright, once a week, or you stay away from it. Next, if you are allergic to seeds, make sure you patch test first before using. It is very important. So here is the truth. Flaxseed gel is the hydrator plus definer for low porosity hair and for medium porosity hair. That means it is very good for a hair of low porosity and a hair of medium porosity. It is cheap, it works, and it is science packed. And that's a wrap for this video. What are your thoughts? Please do well to leave them for me in the comments. Have you ever tried flaxseed gel before? Yes or no? Leave it in the comments. My next video will be about aloe vera benefits for natural hair, so make sure you stick around. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, alright, and join the family. Until next time, my queens, don't forget to water your hair as always. The importance of water cannot be overemphasized. Alright, make sure you stay hydrated. May your hair be luscious and may your scalp be happy. Bye for now and see you in my next video. Aloe vera benefits for natural hair.